Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. First of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need the settings, so just scroll down here and then you will find here always the symbol for the settings at the corner. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General Management. Here it is. In front of it you will have a gray icon with the white things to adjust things. Tap it. Now you will need the first point, language. So maybe you will have a list here already, like me. And if your language is part of that list, maybe in my case here Deutsch, so German, just tap on number 2. Also tap on the number of your language, maybe 3, 4 or something like this. Tap on the number of your language and then go here on the blue button to apply. Okay, and now the phone is in German. Okay, let me put it back to English here because I want to show you right now what you should do if your language is not part of that list, and I think you can imagine already. Just tap here on the green plus symbol to add a language. Tap on the green plus symbol to add a language, and now you can choose the language you want to have. You have many opportunities. Let's keep going on maybe in English here, because you can choose also a dialect. No? You can choose now maybe the dialect of the United States, and then you need to set it up as default. And now I have English directly with the dialect of the United States. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, if you want, you can have also a look on one of my other videos, or just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.